Welcome back to our channel for another installation day, and today we have yet another 718 GT4 is in for exhaust upgrade. So for the GT4, the car is going to receive this beautiful JCR titanium race pipe non-silent system as well. So now before we begin the installation, we'll start up the car, do a sound check, listen to how it sounds like with the factory exhaust system. But it is not entirely a factory setup because the car has already done a catless headers and also the catless over axle pipes, but it remains to have the factory rear back box, the PSC system. And we are quite interested to find out how does the car sounds like with this setup before and after we upgrade the JCR race pipe for the rear section. Here we have removed the factory rear section out of the GT4 and put it side by side to compare with the JCR race pipe that is going into the car later. So now let's take a few minutes to talk a little bit more about the differences between the factory system and the JCR system. First of all, on the factory system, as you can see, this is a massively heavy and also very huge rear muffler box on the GT4, the standard exhaust. So there is a lot of sound filtration happening inside of this muffler box, and that's why with the factory exhaust, the car doesn't really sound loud, or I should say it doesn't really sound good with the factory rear section, even though the car does have the catless headers and also the catless over axle pipe, but the sound is a little bit too raspy and it's not really concentrated. And also this factory system, they are massively heavy compared to the JCR system, so later we will put both of this system onto our weight machine to find out the weight differences between them. As for the JCR system, what we have here is the titanium race pipe. This is the non-silence version, so you don't get any resonators or mufflers on this JCR system, and this will sound extremely loud, and also it will create a very unique, very beautiful tone on the GT4. So on the JCR system, this is the valve version race pipe, and the valves are located at both sides, and when the valves are closed, the exhaust gas flow actually goes through these smaller pipes, then it goes into the mid-X pipe and exits from the tips. And when the valves are fully open, the exhaust gas flow will flows directly into these larger pipes and goes into the X pipe and exits from the tips. So with the valves fully open, definitely the car will sound a lot louder, a lot more aggressive, and when the valves are closed, it gives you a more quiet tone compared to how it sounds with the valves fully open. For the JCR system, this is a 100% full titanium system, so these are actually extremely lightweight. And also for the tips option, the owner has decided to go with the very popular and also the iconic JCR megaphone exhaust tips to give the car a better look from the rear end compared to the factory exhaust tips, which has an oval shape and also finish off in this chrome black color. So this megaphone tips definitely looks way better. And according to JCR officials, with their titanium race pipe installed on the GT4, you will get about 15 horsepower and 6 Newton meters of torque increase. While for the weight reduction, now it's about time to find out how much lesser weight does the titanium race pipe weighs compared to the factory system. The factory catback system weighs at 16.4 kilograms, and this is massively heavy compared to the JCR system. So with the JCR system installed, of course, not only that you get a proper sound improvement, also you will be benefit from the weight reduction over this very bulky, very heavy factory exhaust. And for the JCR titanium race pipe non-silenced version, added together with the tips, the brackets, everything, it weighs at 7.3 kilograms, and that is a total of 9.1 kilograms of weight reduction that you can get over the factory system. And that's why with the JCR system installed on the GT4, not only that you get proper sound improvements, also you will be benefit from the weight reduction of this JCR system over the factory exhaust. And that's all for the product explanation part. So now we'll get back to work to install this beautiful JCR system onto the GT4, and later, once we have everything fitted, of course we will start up the car, do a sound check, listen to how does this JCR titanium race pipe non-silenced version performs on the GT4 compared to the factory system. And what you have heard just now is how the 718 GT4 sounds like with the JCR titanium race pipe, the non-silenced version, paired with the Akrapovic titanium link pipes and also a Soul Performance long tube catless headers. And now this GT4 sounds massively loud with the full exhaust setup, and also it is insanely aggressive with the valves fully open. So let us know in the comment sections below, what do you think about this exhaust setup on the GT4, the JCR titanium race pipe non-silenced version with the catless headers, the catless link pipes. And also, if you enjoy our content, like and share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting contents in the future.